Living in the province is an appealing option for those seeking of a quiet, more relaxed way of life in the Philippines. And this is also a luxury way for others. So, in today's video, we will take a closer look of the cons of living in the province. There is a saying that living in the province is theoretically good, but in reality daw, it's only good for a short vacation. Maybe, yes, I can attest on that to myself for now, nga medyo bata-bata pa, maka-work pa, and still can manage the chaos in the city. But for me, when the time is right, I will choose living in the province any day pohon. So hi, my name is Yen. Welcome back again to my channel. Our mental and physical health are greatly improved every time we're here in province because we woke up early and walk going to the beach after breakfast, and because it's walking distance lang from the house, although it will still depend on where you stay or moving to, but in our case, this place is perfect. And also, while walking, you can breathe a fresh air. We all know that the air is just so different here in the province. So fresh, and look at the sea. These elements can calm and relax you after. And one of our bondings was just to sit and listen to the sound of the wave. So I could not help but admire the beauty of the nature here in the province. Another advantage was the time slow. Like daghan kag mabuhat when you are here in province. Like you don't feel like you're always in a rush. It's just like you may choose to do tasks and chores at your own pace. If you aim to maximize your life experiences while minimizing expenses, the provincial life may be for you. Because we all know that public markets are the place where local farmers and other small vendors sell to people without much money. Public markets offers a lot, even mga snacks for the kids. And diri ra sad ta makita og mga fresh kaayo nga mga baligya. Cooking using wood. This can be a real money saver. They said that there's something magical about cooking with wood daw. Sa kinaraan pa, lami og humot daw imuhang niluto. But of course, nagsugba raman mi, so dapat kahoy jud ang gamit. So, since province is a quiet place, of course, you can enjoy a quiet afternoon nap. And after all the chores, you can still have an enjoyable afternoon by watching sunset.
Sa Shopee lang, and I just thought na big ang iyahang sizes, but na-shock ko pag-arrive because cute kaayo. But okay na sad ngayon na iyahang sizes. I'll put some flowers here next time. And this one, ako kay Boy Pinsa ang nag-buy ani, so ako lang po diyang gibutang lahat to add up to one keyboard. And this one, guys, I tell you, this is worth the price because look at that. Grabe ka clean and pulido ang namaligya na. I-put na ko ang iyahang link sa screen kung asa na ko niya siya gibay. And next is ang mga cortina. So, ang kaning mga cortina sa Shopee ang gihapon, grabe kalindot ang iyahang tela. Look at that. And ang color. So, you know, I choose brown because that is my unsa siya kanindot. And guys, can you just imagine, this is 100 plus. So, inana ko ka, tipid. And kanisa siya, I think we're kabot of 100. This is only, basta below siya 100. Shopee also. So, kaning guitar, kaya ako rapod siyang ibutang dire because napundor siya sa room, side by side. Now, murag nindot rapod siya tanawon nga na siya nila. So, next, the last one is the pot. Imagine guys, this one, I bought this one sa DIY. And we're only kabot of 500. So, yung ala siya katipid. My God, di ba? So, cute siya because brown side.
This also one of the advantage. You can eat even without spending money. Vegetables are available from your own backyard, wherein when you are in the city, everything has a price. So, if you settle in a home with a wide yard, you can plant your own fruits and vegetables for personal consumption.
But dili tanan mo choose living in the province because of the other side. There's a lot of negative side also. One of those are struggle to adjust of the lack of modern amenities and limited access of goods and services, right? But for us, living in the province means going from one place to the next minus stress. So that's what I love living in the province in the future. The simplicity of lifestyle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye!